In this video, you'll learn how to effectively contact Udemy support. By following these steps, you will ensure that your inquiries are addressed promptly and accurately. Start by opening the Udemy website in your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the link to the Help Center, usually found at the bottom of the page or in the main menu. Clicking on this link will take you to the Udemy Help Center, where a wealth of support articles and guides are available. Once you're in the Help Center, you will notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Use this search bar to type in a brief description of the issue you are experiencing. As you enter your query, Udemy will present a list of relevant articles that may contain solutions to your problem. Take the time to read through these articles carefully, as many common issues have already been addressed in detail. If the articles do not resolve your issue, you can proceed to submit a support request. Look for the contact form within the Help Center, which is typically listed under a section labeled Contact Us or Submit a Request. Fill in all required fields, including your email address and a detailed description of the problem you're facing. Including specific information will help the support team understand your situation better. You also have the option to attach screenshots that may clarify the issue further. This can be especially helpful if your problem is complex or involves visual elements are complex. After you have completed the form and attached any necessary files, submit your request. Udemy support team will review your submission and usually respond via email with assistance or solutions based on the information you provided. It is important to keep your message clear and concise, as this can significantly improve the response time of the support team. Be patient after submitting your request, as response times may vary depending on the volume of inquiries. Checking your email regularly for updates is advisable, so you do not miss any communications from Udemy support. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.